Most people don't invest because they're trying to get rich overnight. They invest because they want to build a life that feels secure, independent, and full of choices. The real purpose of investing is not just about money. It's about what that money allows you to achieve. Whether your goal is to buy a home, start your own business, retire comfortably, support your family, or simply stop stressing about bills, investing is the engine that makes those dreams possible. If you rely only on your salary, you're limited by your time and your energy. But when you invest, your money starts working for you, even when you're sleeping, traveling, or taking a break. That is how financial freedom begins. The biggest challenge people face today is the rising cost of living. Everything from housing to education to groceries becomes more expensive over time. If your money just sits in a savings account, inflation slowly reduces its value year after year. That means your future goals drift further out of reach unless you take action. Investing helps you stay ahead of inflation by growing your money faster than prices increase. Ownership investments like stocks, real estate, and businesses have historically beaten inflation and multiplied wealth because they're connected to real economic growth. When companies innovate, when property values rise, and when businesses expand, investors benefit, and that growth compounds over time. Investing also gives you something a job alone cannot: options. When you build a solid investment base, you're not forced to work overtime, you're not stuck in jobs you dislike, and you don't panic when unexpected expenses appear. You gain the freedom to choose where you live, how you work, and what kind of life you want to design. Investing transforms long-term goals into real, reachable milestones. It turns future dreams into plans with timelines. And the earlier you start, the more powerful the results become, even with small amounts, because compounding works like magic over time. The key message is simple but life-changing. You don't invest because you're greedy. You invest because you want a better future. You invest because you care about your life, your family, and your long-term security. Investing isn't optional for big dreams. It's the only reliable road that gets you there.